Hey folks, this is RV Randy with RV Land in Kyle, Texas. This is a big country by Heartland 3902 FL. Huge camper. We got 5 slide outs on it, plenty of storage room. I'm gonna walk you down the driver's side. All your connections are here. Your auto level up system is in here. Don't worry folks, there's plenty more storage there. All your hookups are right here. Open the bottom, everything comes out there. Let's walk down this huge unit. Show you all the storage in the back underneath. Plenty of storage. Wait folks, there's still one more. Look at all that. Let's walk around the back. I'm gonna walk backwards, zoom out. You've got a spot here for a backup camera. Ladder for the top. Now folks, this is the outside. All the outside storage. This is the pass through. There are double speakers on the back, 2 awnings. Let me put the one down so you can see the speaker. Kind of speaks for itself. This does have the level up system. There's a second awning over the entry door, LED lighting above it, 3902 FL. I did leave the door cracked. Don't think that it doesn't open. We're gonna walk through. It's a front living floor plan. We're gonna walk through, take a right through the entry door. Here's your screen, all your display, all your control panels, LED. I'm sorry, that's not LED. Automatic controls right there. Best living space I've seen. Sofa, fireplace, awesome cabinets, large screen TV. There's another sofa. Wait, we've got theater seating, heated and massaging chairs. Kind of separate from the kitchen. Let's walk down the steps here. As you can see, great kitchen with an island. Got a huge refrigerator. Yet another TV in here. Plenty of storage, plenty of cabinet storage. Very nice, accented on the cabinetry. Upgraded stove, stainless steel appliances, oven. Dinette, expandable. It's part of the slide out there. You can just look and see at the touches on the roof. You've got the pressed tin on the rooftop. Let's go back into the bedroom, go up the steps here. Large master, king bed, another TV. Leather headrest. Here's your closet, mirrors, washer dryer hookup. Plenty of room. Got some room up top in the cabinet. Now let's walk into the bathroom. Dual sinks, huge shower. Commode. Let's take a look at the built-in dresser here. 8 drawers. Very, very nice unit. Give me a call, RV Land, 512-234-6978. Make sure to ask for Randy to get all the details on this unit. Again, this is RV Randy with RV Land, Kyle, Texas. Give me a call, 512-234-6978, or email me at Randy at rvlandtx.com. Thank you.